afternoon. Is the Orlando Gardener coming at you? Aftermath. Woo! All the leaves going off for the plum tree after the hurricane. I've been gone for a while. I guess you can tell. Woo! Tree is leaning over, gotta stand it back up. I've been out of town for a week. This is the mulch that I put down before I left. The sugarcane is all bent over. Okay. Well, I don't want to get sugarcane shavings in my skin. Well, all the sugarcane has been over in this barrel. Let's see what else is going on. Okay. I had put mulch there. These sugar canes are all bent out. Trees look good though. Okay. Huh. That's funny. These are standing tall. Oh, no. It makes sense. It's surrounded right here. And that one down there is a little bit more on the outer area. These are bent out a little bit, but this one isn't. Okay. We'll just keep going. Sugarcane over there doing good. Mango trees are doing good. Banana trees are still standing. Banana. Before I left, went out of town, I had put all these piles of mulch down. I do that a couple times a year. Ooh, this sugar cane is really leaning. Jamaican black. Hopefully no trees are broken. Debris down. Sugar cane is really leaning. All right. Hey, Sam. And yes, I do have people taking care of the dogs when I'm gone. Uh-oh. Monstera. Yeah, okay. Hey, Sam. Got piles everywhere. Mulch piles. Mulch. Everything looks pretty good. Okay. Whew. Y'all are growing. Everybody grew since I was gone. Anything to eat out here? Even you grew. Even the ice cream tree grew. Wow. Look at that. Everything grew. Everything grew, y'all. Woo! Let's duck. Let's go. Let's look. This is a mess. This got to be. And see the mulch piles? They're all over. Just got to come out here and rake them down. Everywhere. See that? Whoop. Up 2 feet. Man, this stuff grow. That got to come down. I got to trim these grapes up. It's not bad. Okay. Ooh, there's a mango seedling. All right, I need to get these panicles off. Uh-oh, spaghetti, yo. I see my sugar apples went on dried up. They were there. Oh, maybe I can get this one. It's open. I wonder is it any good. Bugs probably have had their way on that one. Let me smell it. Oh, it smells good. I don't know, we'll see. All right, nothing broke. Wow, I hate this last minute growth though. I don't like that. No. Wow, everything grew. That hurricane brought a lot of water, and you know what the rain do? It made the trees very happy. Okay, hey, Sugarloaf. Hello, Honey Kiss. Hi, Kip. Blowing ants off me. Hey, Denise. Sassy Love. Mark Anthony. Red Gold. Boy, this stuff gotta get cut. This yard gotta get cut. Oh, I got passion fruit on the ground. Gotta collect those. Ooh, it's a mess. Leaves came down, stuff fell over. Okay. It's okay though. Oh, yep, more passion fruit. Passion fruit. More passion fruit. Oh, there's another one. There's another one over there. Passion fruit just dominate my pecan tree. And I need to, you know what? I'm gonna really trim this hog plum tree. I'm gonna trim it down because I've seen how short they can be and be productive. All them limbs way up there. Yeah, I'm gonna be selling those cuttings or giving them away. I don't know. Make a little diaper money. Wow, everything grew, yo. Everything grew. That's pretty. Look at Tess Pollard. Ooh, gotta get this. It's ready. Pineapple's ready. Okay. Any Jabot Carbazone? Nope. Hey, Sam. Well, this Silas Woods be really producing. This thing is loaded. And my strawberry tree is loaded. Look at the limbs on here. This thing is gonna have so many. All right. Banana trees are still holding. He's still up. Oh, no, there we go. There we go. There they go. They're laying down over there. Hi, Carrie. Hey, Zena. All righty. Let's see, we got a couple of them down. It's not bad. Just a couple of them down. Boy, this yard gotta be cut. I've been gone, y'all. That's why everything look like this. It's already a jungle. Oh, there go one over there as well. But yeah, it's already a jungle. But the storm come through and do its thing. Yeah, longing's still on the tree. Still loaded with longing. Hey Z. This whole yard need a do-over. Yeah. Oh, just got home, y'all. Want to share this with you all. And should I go through there? Yeah. What are we gonna do? Let's go around. Let's go through here. Limbs are down everywhere. Oh my goodness. Barbecue wood. After the storm. Somebody today asked me, did I have this particular variety of mango? I said, yep. I'm gonna have that dug up though. Dug up. It's too shaded, it'll never produce. It's the Philippine mango. It's already tough to produce as it is. And it's also shaded, it'll never produce. It'll be here for 100 years and it still won't produce being back in this shade. Oh, looky y'all. Here we go. Rack of bananas right there. I'm surprised that there isn't another rack somewhere. Coming up. No other racks of bananas nowhere? Nope. Okay. I look for the time when I'll be able to have two at the same time. Hey, Palmer Mango. All right, y'all. Just wanted to share with y'all this moment of truth. Just got back from out of town, and this is what we look like. I'll be back to filming. And next time you see it, it'll be pretty again. Yes, it will. It's the Lando Gardener coming at you. And Mr. Sugar Apple, something just fell in it. And an ant there. See that ant down in there? See, can I open it with one hand? Look at the ant. All right, y'all. A lot of work to be done. I'm glad to be back and be in the garden. Woo! So much work to do. Y'all come help me out. Lando Gardener coming at you. Y'all have a good one.